Indeed. So Danny, you mentioned stakeholders. So that when I think of stakeholders, I'm a systems engineer, and I think that this is a much more structured process than being that kindergarten teacher. Where does it start, and who are these stakeholders? How do you find them? What's a stakeholder? What's a stakeholder community?
Yeah, so most of our clients are architects or developers, but we try to be mindful of the occupant, the end user, even the management company. And that's what we mean by stakeholders. Who has their hand in this project in one way or another? How can we address their wants and needs? Right, and so most of our clients, like I said, are architects and or developers. I sometimes joke that 90% of our clients don't want to be our clients, right? That they are because they have to be, right?
Oh,
and so whether it's some form of municipal requirement, or in South Florida specifically, we have various municipalities that require some form of green building certification if your project is greater than X amount of square feet. Sort of depends on each municipality. Or there's a funding arm where maybe you're getting some government funding and the government's saying, hey, you got to make this thing sustainable. And so that's where we come in. Don't get me wrong, there are some clients out there that they make sustainability a part of their mission statement. And it's very refreshing to work with those people. But most of the time it's, hey, I don't know what this is. Walk me through it. And that's where the kindergarten teacher
Right.